In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to generate a YouTube video script and outline. I'll start by clicking Create New AI and selecting the Generate option. I want to create a full script, so I'll select Document as the format. In the prompt bar, I'm typing a request for a 10-minute video script about the top 5 productivity tools for remote workers. Once I click Generate Outline, the AI builds a detailed 10-card structure covering everything from the hook to the conclusion. Next, I'll customize the output by selecting the concise text style and the Perl theme for a professional look. I'm also choosing the photo art style before hitting Generate. As the document generates, the AI creates a title, a hook about the remote work struggle, and organized sections for focus, communication, and project management. It even adds helpful script notes, visual diagrams, and automation workflows for tools like Forest, Slack, and Zapier. After it finishes the summary and call to action cards, I'll scroll back through the completed document to review all the content. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for YouTube video scripts and outlines.